This is a summer song. How is everybody? I'm just waiting for all of our streaming platforms to go live. It is an absolutely beautiful day today. Absolutely. This is not something you see much of in the UK. Let me try and give you a. That's as good as you're gonna get, I think. That's pretty good. So it's a beautiful day. Let me get this angle right. There we go. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. But yeah, back to what we do best. We're taking a look at the US 500. We're going to be using the GPT to plan and strategize and do a lot of trading and research. Of course, we're going to do live trades on air, and we'll be doing the GPT in the background to find these trades, do any sort of background research we need, and just to make sure that everything we are looking at is correct. So. Oh, I think I've forgotten to turn the music on. So allow me a second, everybody. But yeah, as always, any tickers that you're looking at, any sorts of information that you need, drop that in the chat. We will take a look at it. We'll conduct some research live on air, or we can do some live trades. So huge sort of amount of things we can do for you on this live stream. It's not just regarding the GPT, anything regarding trading in general. What music should we go for? Let's go with this one.
Welcome back to this US Open office plan.
This is an advert. I'm very sorry, everybody. There we go. Let's turn this down a little bit. There we go. But yeah, we will get started in just a second. Let's turn this down a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I want something summary. Let's do this one. This is better than nothing. We will use this one in the background. Actually, this might be copyrighted. Yeah, very sorry, guys. Bit of a slow start this morning. Chill Lo-Fi mix. There we go. Okay, we're going to listen to this one. But yeah, as always, drop any sort of tickets down below. We will take a look. We'll conduct some research, go in depth and take a look. US 500 today, still on this downtrend, and actually quite a big drop. Just recently, this was just about now, the past couple of minutes, we're going to ask the GPT what it thinks. Still quite early in the day. We're going to download an image, or sorry, another update that we've had carried out to the GPT. You no longer need to actually take these screenshots. You can just go ahead and ask for the chart, the US 500. So we can say, give me, and I haven't attached that image of the graph I just took, give me entry and exit points. Oh, I wasn't even typing. Fantastic. Give me entry, exit points for say a 30-minute trade on the US 500. Fantastic. So no longer do we need to actually go into our trading software, or sorry, our charting software, and take an image. We can just ask the GPT now. Now this is fantastic for scalping trades. Not only do you have in-date real-time information to go off, but you're actually doing it in the GPT, and the GPT is seeing every single update in real time. So it's really able to, I mean, before we were taking images, there'd be maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4 second delay in the time. A massive jump upwards could happen. But yeah, what we have here, this is fantastic. So fantastic. So it's just analyzing all of this data, extrapolating what we need. and I've just asked it to go in depth and give me an actual strategy I can go forward and use. Now, hopefully everyone is having a good day. As I was saying earlier, if you've just joined the stream, it's a beautiful day today. Um, Rarely that we get weather like this in the UK, so we're making the most of it, having a nice chill stream, just analysing US 500. We'll take a look at gold and some other indices in a moment, perhaps. So the NES 100 is, I think, is the NES 100. It's one I want to take a look at today. Um, we're going to analyse the chart. Going to upload this. We're going to use a pre-crafted prompt. This is the chart of the US 500 right now. Analyze this and tell me if I should take a long or a short. And we're going to take it off the. We have our indicator here. We're going to take it off the logarithmic. We were talking about the logarithmic version of this indicator yesterday. We were having quite some fun with it. It wasn't the most reliable thing in the world, but it certainly was interesting. Okay, it's recommended we go short. I think that's very sensible, judging by the current trend. Something I will take a look at actually is the ES, the futures market. Just interested to see how it performed last night and whether there's any potential entries today. Recommend we go short around 560. Now we're just going to update it one more time. Should we change strategy? Hopefully everyone is having a fantastic day today. Or the start, if you're in the States like many of our viewers are, the fantastic start to your day. I hope the weather is as nice as this. I was talking to one of my clients yesterday and she said she was expecting around 4 to 6 inches of snow. It's not something we usually get, 4 to 6 inches of snow. We're rare if we get snow, but we're very lucky if we get sun. We just get rain, unfortunately. Observations, continued downtrend, volume and VSLRT. Maintain short position. Saying to enter right about now. We're going to ask for its confidence level now. Concisely tell me on a scale of 1 to 10 how likely this recommendation is to work. 7 out of 10. Now, just before we enter, we're going to ask one more time. We're going to zoom in fact. This would be a fantastic, or 3 or 4 seconds ago, would have been a fantastic entry point. What about now? So I've sent some of my colleagues on a mission for me today. I've sent them to go and get me a pizza. So wow, it's been a long time since we've had such a nice day. So we'll be eating pizza on stream. We'll be doing some trades, doing some research. Can't get much better than that. Rate the likelihood a 6 out of 10 now. There appears to be some consolidation and potential for a reversal. Fantastic. I'm just going to put a comment in the stream. Drop any tickers. On stream via emoji. So US 500 currently showing signs of reversal. Now, very possible this could be the start of a sweep. Here we go. My colleague Justin is just about to join us. Now we're going to go ahead, ask the GPT, upload this image. My colleague just said, I remembered to close that window and make sure it was big enough. I didn't even close it. It was like that by default. I would have ignored that, or I wouldn't have ignored it. I would have not noticed. Yeah, yeah, I did that. I did that. So yeah, colleague Justin is just about to join us. Here he is. Um, we're looking for entries into the US 500. This chart that I've uploaded is ever so slightly
Colleague
outdated.
Justin.
Huh?
Colleague Justin.
Colleague Justin, my good friend Justin. Let me give you some space. We're going to download this image.
Oh, we can get the chart up straight from the GPT.
This is the
Force
chart.
of habit.
It was glitching out earlier.
Let's see.
So yeah, we're going to take a look at a US 500 trade. We're going to have a look at the ES as well, see if there's any sort of entries we can take. Um, but yeah, just having a nice day all around. Did you get a pizza? Are you getting a pizza?
No.
No. Have you got food?
I have got food, yeah. Don't need to buy pizza. But it would be nice to get out. It's so
It's
sunny.
so nice outside.
Yeah.
I mean the temperature isn't even warm. I guarantee if I said the temperature out loud, and you're an American viewer, you'd probably laugh at us. Um, come here, Nathan. Come here. Join the stream. The boss is here.
How you doing, guys? Well,
Yeah, we're doing well. Doing well.
who's watching today then?
At the moment, we've got one viewer.
Nice. Hello, mate.
I love Monday.
Um,
Hello, Monday.com. This is Monday.com.
right, we are going to skip this advert. Lo-fi chill mix. I assume you can hear the music.
Yeah, I can,
Yeah,
yeah.
cool. US 500. We're going to look for an entry point. Let's see. It's still saying short, and that was off the last image we gave it. I think we should enter. What do you think?
We haven't even looked at it for that long.
I mean, I've been looking at it for the past 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask for the confidence level. Every single time I've asked it, it's said short.
Let's see, 5 minutes. Let me get up to speed. Alright. Yeah, looks good. Does look like a sell. Let's add this volume. Let's add the Bollinger Bands.
Such a nice day.
Buy orders. Order blocks.
Drop a comment if you think we should do an outside stream. We could do a beer garden stream. Maybe one day if we get enough viewers.
We can turn the camera.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to show him earlier.
But the exposure is too high.
We need to turn the...
It's too sunny.
Show him the... It's quite bright. You can't really see.
The exposure
It's a
is
beautiful
very
day.
high. Anyways.
When we get enough viewers, we'll upgrade the camera. If we get enough fire emojis, we'll upgrade the camera. Right.
What are we looking at? Just the US 500 right now?
Yeah, I've
Okay.
just looked at.
Are
the
we
US
in on a
500.
trade?
We are not currently in a trade.
Oh.
130, bound to happen. Now, that shot up, didn't it?
Yeah, pre-market.
So we are going to enter in here. We're going to put the chart in. Use that pre-crafted prompt that we have, US 500 for
Yep.
the day.
Oh wow.
A lot of movement.
Yeah, it's shooting up.
So we're going to have to wait for this sort of volatility to calm down.
I
Before
do
we
think
take
it's going to
entry.
hit quite a few people's stop losses.
Maybe we could see
Probably
bounce
went
up,
short on
bounce
there.
down. We will just have to wait and see.
Yeah. Yeah, this is going to shoot up.
Now, I think it would be good to go over some potential research capabilities of this software while we wait for the volatility to sort of decrease. What should we do today? We can do crypto, we can do investments, options.
Let's have a look at the overall news first.
Sure. While we're doing that, could we open up the chart of the ES? I just want to see how the market's.
Which one?
The ES.
It's ES.
ES1. It's the futures market version of the S&P 500. Oh dear. Well, my prediction last night was correct, but the market is dropping quite significantly. So where was it yesterday?
What time?
I think it was about 8 or 7.
That's this morning.
No, yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was here.
Oh yeah, of course. 58, and we were at 8:30. 8:30. So whereabouts was this? Hey, give me
This?
the. Sorry. We're on a 5-minute. 8:50. Oof. Okay, cool. Yeah, just wanted to check. Right, what sort of questions are we going to ask today? Crypto, investments. We could probably find some new undervalued stocks.
Yeah, let's look for some undervalued stocks.
So always good if you're considering taking trades or investments, but you don't know exactly, what you're looking for. This question provides you with some
We
very
won't
good.
do undervalued yet. Or yeah, you're explaining it anyway, so I'll do undervalued and then we'll do penny stocks.
Yeah, sure. Penny stocks is a good one as well. But yeah, a very good way of finding potential trades or investments on quite a short time frame that are looking to rebound upwards in, again, quite a short time frame and make quite a lot of return on investment. So these are some good. This is a very good question to find the best undervalued stocks.
Short term.
Short term, we could do long term, medium term. Usually we don't really specify a time frame. These are typically looking to sort of rebound upwards in 3-4 months, maybe even 2 or 3, maybe even if we're asking for trades, then even less, maybe a week maximum. We're looking at ESE ESCO Technologies, which is one we've covered quite extensively over the past couple of weeks.
Huh. Bullish order block. Bearish order block. Hmm. What's the name of that stock? I think it's on Capital. SMCI, that's right.
Oh, super microcomputer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's a pretty good one to scalp. Look at that though.
That is very interesting. I'm not sure what that is.
That's called Four Big Guys.
And I got told off for, well, I'm not even going to mention what I said yesterday on stream. You'll have to go and watch our yesterday's stream to find out what we were talking about. I really expected more of you, Justin. What do we have here? Some undervalued stocks with
I'm
some
trying to match your wavelength.
match my wavelength.
Yeah,
Sure.
trying to resonate. Um, S&P 500 undervalued stocks.
APA Corporation is a good sort of medium-term investment. Same with Active PLC.
Let's just have a look at the first one.
Such a nice day today.
It is, it is.
Tomorrow's Friday. Maybe we can do a special stream if the weather keeps up. You can never tell with British weather. For everyone at home that's never visited this dreary island, You can never trust the weather here.
Dreary Island.
Well, I mean, realistically, that's what we live on. Unfortunately, we live on a little little rock in the middle of the Atlantic that never stops raining. But we're in the heart of the financial district, so
Okay.
financial performance and growth outlook. So we're looking at AES Corporation.
So diluted earnings per shares of $2.37, up from 34 cents. Valuation analysis. So they trade at a price to earnings ratio of 7.4x. Analysts highlight its 91% expected earnings growth, which has not yet been fully reflected in the stock price. Let's see, renewable expansion. A lot of companies focusing on renewables, ESG. Um, let's see, growth targets. Reaffirm 7 to 9% annualized earnings growth through 2027. And it's driven by demand from AI data centers and manufacturing. So I don't even know what they do, to be honest.
Yeah, we can check out and see what
Yeah, we'll have a look at what they do.
maintains a hold rating.
Let's open up the chart.
AES. Yeah, let's take a look. I mean, this could be another pharmaceutical company. It could be anything really.
A lot of bearish signals. Okay, over the span of 2 years, it's been declining quite significantly, but they could be going through some reform at the moment. So,
Did you
um,
know that Amazon has a $50 million fund that they have to pay out every month?
ads. Um, Tell me what AES does. Why are they undervalued? And what um, what are they doing to realize their fair value? There we go.
Such a nice day. I'm really hungry.
You're gonna go straight for a pizza after this?
No, my colleagues are bringing the pizza to me.
Oh, lucky you.
Yeah,
Free delivery.
free delivery. Well, I hope it's free delivery.
Well, in this circumstance, I think going outside
Yeah.
would be the nicer option.
So what do we have here? Steps to realize its fair value. So this will be important, especially from a sort of investment um, perspective.
Okay, so three key points as to why they are undervalued and how they're going to realize their fair value. So firstly, renewable execution, accelerating the 3.2 GW renewables addition in 2025. Second, debt management, they're reducing their non-recourse debt to improve financial flexibility. And then thirdly, market recognition, highlighting undervaluation through investor outreach and consistent earnings delivery.
Fantastic. Yeah, so a pretty in-depth report in terms of everything we need to consider before a medium-term investment.
Yeah.
Now, it's given us our entry level and exit targets. A 3 to 6 month investment plan and some new sentiment.
So yeah, enter around $11, which is slowly progressing towards pretty much $11 right now, and exit at $14. So it does say 3 to 6 months. That's roughly June to September around here. But those three factors, are they promising enough? To what extent would accelerating the, I don't know what this 3.2 GW means. Do you know?
3.2 diluted. Gigawatt. Is that gigawatt? GW, what does that stand for?
I don't know. It can be gigawatts,
We're talking about renewable energy, maybe.
but what would that mean, 3.2 gigawatts?
3.2 GW renewable. The only thing I could think of is maybe a battery of some sort. What? Oh, no, that makes sense.
Of installed renewable energy infrastructure, typically solar, wind, or hydropower. Ah, I see. So their goal is to reach 3.2 gigawatts of renewable energy infrastructure. Okay. I wonder how that would compare to. Oh, it's given us that comparison anyway. So, in comparison, India installed their 3.2 GW of rooftop solar capacity in 2024. So, AES are sort of catching up to that 3.2 GW um, sort of standard. So, in China, installed 277 gigawatts of solar, um, reaching a total of 887. But these
Interesting.
are countries as a whole, right? So it's not really a fair comparison. Let's see. First Solar here. So they're a leading thin film solar manufacturer with 14 GW delivered in 2024. So these guys have a lot of catching up to do. A lot of catching up,
Mm.
right? Um, and their goal for this year is only 3.2, but that's an addition, right? Addition. So what is AES's
Super microcomputer. So yeah, let's look for a potential entry, perhaps.
I'll let you take the wheel, but let's just see quickly.
AES.
So in 2024, it was 6.8. Okay. I mean, even 6.8 plus the 3.2 that they're doing, it's still probably not enough
Mm.
to actually invest. Um, okay. Let's look at some potential for entries.
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. Let's go ahead.
Okay. What's
Uh,
happened to the music?
oh, advert. We apologise about the music. Our dear loyal viewers, we were hijacked by an advert.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take a look at maybe the US 500 for potential entry. Unless anyone else has any other ideas. Usually by this point in the day, Al Spice has joined and told us what to look at. Good old Al. US 500. Quite a big drop down. But we are looking at the daily. Let's drop into a 5-minute. So quite strong Quite a strong drop. Now, if we're thinking about an entry, I would say about now would be the perfect time, but we're going to ask the GPT and see what it thinks. This is the chart of the US 500 right now. This trade, I believe we could probably take until the end of the stream. And of course, I do think it'll be a short. We will see. Downtrend, negative momentum, support level. Yeah, of course, for sure. We're just going to quickly ask for a confidence rating before we enter. But it's very clear cut. 7 out of 10. Should we enter?
I think just wait, just ask it again.
We'll ask one more time. We'll just update it. Just going to go ahead and ask here. Trend and pattern analysis. Here we go. Same recommendation. And we are simply just going to ask one more thing. I'll ask one more time for the confidence rating. Seven out of 10. So, could be the start of. I'm not sure. Let's take a look at gold very quickly. Let's take a photo. This is the chart of XAU, USD. Analyze and provide. Analyze and provide entry and exit points. So it's recommended we actually go long, and it's suggesting that there are potential moves upward that we can take. So we're just going to quickly ask for, again, a confidence level. Six out of 10. Okay, we'll wait for a couple minutes longer for any sort of moves out of this almost consolidation, and then we will think about taking a trade. Finally, we will just analyze the ES. Big drop downward. This may be the the start of an uptrend, however. That is what sticks out to me. US 500. We're going to go ahead. Ask the GPT now what it believes. Adverts. I do apologize. Chart of the US 500 right now. Overall trend appears to be bearish. Recommended a short along with a take profit and a stop loss. Quite simply, just going to concisely ask for entry and exit points. 7 out of 10. Let's go ahead and enter.
Yeah, let's go for it.
So we're just going to add in the stop loss and our take profit. Stop loss, which was 780. And then our take profit. Oh, I didn't set that one. So 5780. Set that, and then our take profit, which was 5750. Fantastic.
Wow, $2,000 if it hits our take profit.
Very possible.
What is it? 575 take profit? Yeah. That's not even too far off.
High target due to intraday nature. So yeah, very, very possible. Quite a lot of movement.
Nice.
Now,
Wait,
so
ask it how many contracts.
how many contracts?
Yeah, because we bought 100, right?
Contracts. How many contracts? I'm not sure if the GPT will be able to sort of calculate that. It will be different for quite a... Each point typically represents $50. So for a $50,000 account, now we're trading with almost an $100,000.
Ah, I see.
1%. Okay, I think something that would be quite interesting to go into, and especially for today, is some crypto coins. So we're asking for the most recent crypto coins showing unusual trading volume and activity on major exchanges.
You know, actually, one of the team members at Cubetics, I managed to connect with them on LinkedIn
Yeah. When was that?
yesterday.
Last night?
Yeah, last night.
What did he say? Did you?
I'm gonna try to reach out to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a conversation, see what the project's about. Because if it's legit and they're actually like working on it full time,
The only thing I would want to know is when is the release date?
what?
It's not too important in terms of the actual product, but they need to have a scheduled date in mind. Otherwise, they're just collecting money at this point.
I mean, we don't really have scheduled dates for our products, do we?
That's a very good point.
Yeah. We're an established company, but we don't announce when our products are coming out. Because you just never know with the back testing.
Yeah, but I mean, we have scheduled sort of, not quite announced, but we have days that we say we're going to do things.
Internally, yeah.
Whereas with Cubetics, I mean, let's go into Cubetics today.
I think the most important thing for me is the capability of whoever's working on their challenges.
The thing is, though, they have nothing to show at the moment.
Well, they do. They've got the cube code IBE, and they've also got their testnet in the last 3 months.
What I'm thinking, okay, is a lot of times when there's a sort of pre-sale, and I'll give an example.
Blockdag.
So for example, there was,
Blockdag's a bit dodgy.
huh?
Blockdag.
Yeah, I don't, well,
Even though they're sponsored, or they're sponsoring
yeah,
Inter Milan.
I forgot what the name of this crypto coin was. Solve protocol.
No. Was it?
Solve
Oh,
protocol. Okay. So
don't know about this one.
this is a coin that aims to, and this is something I'm still looking at today, and I'm looking for the right time to invest. They are a company that are trying to make Bitcoin stakeable. So you can, if you understand staking, you can do it with Ethereum and Solana. You can put in someone else's account to accumulate over time, and in reward you get monetary value. This company is trying to do this with Bitcoin through quite a lot of sort of blockchain, a lot of sort of fiddling around with the blockchain and making a way to sort of stake Bitcoin. Now they had a pre-sale and they launched at about 20 cents, and it pretty much instantly dropped. Now I'm thinking the same with Cubetics. When they release, I think there'll be a huge sell-off. And if you really are interested in Cubetics, I think the right time to buy would be here or here or here before they start gaining this popularity and traction.
What do you mean? What do you mean by here, or here, or here?
Because Cubetics could rise. Initially there will be quite a big sell-off, and then they'll start gaining momentum and traction and moving.
Why don't I buy? Why don't I buy here?
Huh?
Why don't I buy here before they even go on the stock exchange,
Because
the
I
coin
mean,
exchange?
I'm not arguing with you,
Yeah.
but I believe with a lot of pre-sales there is quite a big sort of sell-off.
I'll sell here.
I mean, you can time it if you want. We can zoom into, I think that was January 17th. Let's zoom into exactly how much time you had before it dropped 6 to 10 cents, 6 to 8 cents.
Okay, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 1:17
I think we might be able to zoom in maybe if you drag
to 2
that
p.m. Yeah, that's fine. 4 hours.
4 hours.
4-hour window.
Look, Solve Protocol is definitely something that's on my radar. Something that I'm having a look at the moment. My pizza is here. Boy, bring me that.
Let's see what they've got.
Right, let me check this pizza.
Stealing this pizza. Ooh, that does look good. Alright, we're gonna cut the stream here. We're $300 in profit at the moment. which is what you love to see.
I got
And
scammed, chat.
we're
Got scammed out of the pizza. This is terrible news. Cannot believe this. Cannot believe it. Anyway, back to the US 500. So we're currently about $220 in profit. Not too bad.
you're gonna cut the stream soon.
Yeah, let's keep the stream on for the next sort of 5 minutes. Yeah, so we'll cut the stream in 5 minutes time. Drop any tickers that you're potentially interested in the chat now, before we end the stream. But of course, we will be available tomorrow, same time. Now we're going to let this trade run for quite a bit longer. Let it run to, of course, around 5750. Now I'll just cover some of this crypto information we have here, and then we'll go into some other things. So recent crypto trading volume activity as of March 2025. We have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin on Kraken experienced a 4.2% volume rise. %20 spike in BTC to USD and ETH to USD on Binance within an hour of the announcement. So the White House Crypto Summit date is tomorrow. So that'll be very interesting to see what kind of information comes from that and what we can potentially take from that. And I think this is a good note to end the stream on. So yeah, we'll look forward to the Crypto Summit tomorrow. We'll take a couple more trades, hopefully a little bit more momentum and movement in the market. But yeah, thanks for joining us today, guys, and look forward